Hi, welcome to new video. In this video we have something special to unbox. Here I have Intel Core i9 14th generation processor with me. Let us just unbox and see what is the features that it has got and rest of the detail. Hi, here we have Intel Core i9 processor with us. It is 14th generation. Look at this. This is completely brand new. Look at this i9 14900K. 36 MB cache memory and LG 1700 the socket that it fits on. And check, let's see the MRP of this is 86,000. Yes, 86,000. You can make out the actual price if you know the MRP. Warranty of this machine, this product would be 3 years. I can assure you that you will not have any problem for 5 years at least. That much quality they maintain. That is why Intel is the number one brand in processor making. Now let's cut the seal and open it. Yes, that is the details related to the product. Yes, let's open it. Yes. Oh, look at the package. Sorry, packing. Look at the packing that they get the processor in. Awesome packing. So that is the value they give for the product. This is the Intel, the dawn in processor making. Yes. Oh yeah. Awesome packing. Let's just see what else you get along with this. Yes, you get one user manual with the sticker which you can paste it on desktop. And this is quick guide which will walk through all the processors how to fix the processor on and how to lock processor, rest of the things. So I would suggest you to keep this safe, which will be useful in future, but you might need it in future. So please keep it safely. Now let us open the main one which we wanted to show you. Let's just, all that you need to do is just tilt it. Yes, look at this. Here's the one who does everything. Intel Core R9, Intel Core i9 1400K, and rest of the details are there. Yes, look at this. They kept it very safely in the plastic material, which will have no chance of damage. And when you take it out from the packing, you better hold it safely, otherwise it might get damaged. So better look at this. Yes, this is what actually the processor, and how to fix the processor and all will show you in next video, which is a real thing. Thank you for watching. Thank you.